Pretty tight squeeze here. When did they say? The time. So long. Pretty slippery here. Gonna need some. I can do it. One hand. No big deal. Small here now. Good. About an hour in. I think we got about 2 more hours. Been climbing up this mountain for about 2.5 hours. I think I'm almost there. I'm tired. And it's been misty most of the time, so almost soaking wet. It's cold. And we can't do a fire up there, so hopefully my sleeping bag is gonna be enough. My hands are really cold. And I'm slower than ever right now. Just a little bit more. Just need these clouds to go away, the sun to come out. Get nice and warm. Not sure if you can see much, but I'm here. I'm in the crater. Sun's going down. I'm trying to find a place to bed down. We'll see if I find some. Up and running early in the morning. Stayed the night up here in the crater of the volcano. Felt pretty amazing. It's phenomenal, the stars. I felt like so close to the universe. All right, moment of truth. Let's see the sunrise. Ha! Conquer this baby. Beautiful. Whoa. I hate these loose rocks.